Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Mystic Shakti. You can call me Divya. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. We are going to do the reading for all the collective who are subscribed and who are connected to me. This is a timeless reading. So yes, whenever it reaches you, it's meant for you. We have a very important card that popped up like thrice. I shuffled it 3 times and the card that popped up is the Lover's card. This Lover's card is bringing in so many things out here. That means it's all about relationship these days. Somewhere you feel I would want to be a little calm and composed, and sometimes you would want to vent it out in a never before manner. So being rebellious, being upfront is one side of you, and other side says keep mum. Be compassionate, be calm, be composed with this particular person. Whatever this is, this timeline is going to remove all kind of confusions. Whenever it reaches you, it's removing certain confusions. We are going to talk about the steps and the ladders that you're going through in this timeline. These are the cards that have popped up. So let's go ahead and decode. It is definitely a union. So you are going to meet this person all over again some way or the other, or someone like this is going to re-enter your life, or enter a new person might enter your life who would be something like this. But now this reunion is trying to also tell you that there is something that was healing when you were with this particular person. Not only healing within you, but you did evoke something, you did awaken something in this person as well. So it's all about a balanced relationship you have had within you. This is also trying to tell me this has also activated more of your feminine energies inside you, which is going in the rhythm, which has learned that life will bring in so many things. Life will bring in such kind of people. It is me who's supposed to be changing my attitude towards myself first. That means self value, self worth has been activated after this relationship. Whatever betrayal you have gone through, Three of Swords, whatever betrayal, hurt, heartbreak you went through this process, this gave you major clarity towards what I exactly want in my life. And it made you start speaking your heart out, and with compassion. Though there was the statements were quite powerful. You learned to put your own thought processes in a way to crystal clear manner, and if you haven't yet done so, you would be doing it in this coming timeline. This timeline is activating your verbal, your okay, something came up to me. I'll talk about it one moment. It's going to activate your communication skills, or rather, I'll say how you put things out to people. 11 on the timer. So, number 11 would be resonating to you, 000 would be resonating to you. The major heartbreak has taken you more close towards the breakthrough. And this breakthrough, heartbreak happened because of the impulsiveness of someone I'm seeing. Not just the impulsiveness, I would say some random thought process, like it was for nothing. You felt like it's more than enough, that I have been repeatedly seeing the cycle going through this process, and you emotionally detached yourself first before taking yourself out of this relationship physically. The distance was emotional, and because you overpowered your emotions, you were able to come out, though it is still hurting, because you had some kind of expectations with this person. Though it's still hurting, but it's taking you more close towards many other situations. Silver would be your color these days. You would want to wear some silvers or jewelry, silver jewelry you are more inclined towards, or something shiny you're more inclined towards. You want to connect more within yourself these days again. What I'm listening, you're someone who has learned that my words create manifestation, are manifested, creates an energy of manifestation. So I'm supposed to be careful of what I speak. You are someone who has come to a point where you are not going to ask too many whys to universe, because universe answer you with that why by making you go through it again. This is a repeated channel message I'm getting since couple of days. In my previous video you might have heard about it, but then you're getting answers by experiencing certain things. So you have come to a point like, I don't want to get an answer towards this part 511. I don't want to get an answer towards this part. All I want is my healing, is my uh, I would want to be more composed. I would want to be more in peace rather than getting and wearing everyone's shoes and experiencing every such thing, confirmation thing. All this hurt, this pain, this person went off, it has awakened, you have awakened something in them. You are coming across someone new, which would have the qualities which you loved in this current person, the qualities that made you feel more at peace, something that made you feel more loved. Eventually the love vanished and you are like, I cannot take this relationship where there is no love. I cannot be a part of this. I'm not getting just for the lovers here, I'm getting even for people around you, society, your work colleagues, it could be friends. It is about all the relationship. So where there is no love and respect, you don't want to be there. Wow. And that's an awareness, that's awakening. So whatever has you have decided so far, there is a new beginning in this particular month. Wow, the time in this particular month you are having a new beginning. 1111 would be resonating to you all. We are initially, something is happening around the new moon in this particular month whenever it reaches you. I'm recording this in October, so yes, nearby Diwali, nearby Diwali timeline if you're in India. So around uh 22nd of this month or 24th of this month, I'm listening, you are going to have something different. And by 13th of this month, everything is going to be revealed. You are coming across the truth about what was hidden to you for so many years again. So there is some more revelations coming in that might, and now it's not going to hurt you with that intensity anymore. Yes, it will shake you, it will make you take a clear decisions. That might be a tower moment, but not with the intensity of, oh my god, I cannot take it anymore. You would be like, okay, maybe my intuitions have been speaking about this in so long and I was always prepared for this. So there would be something as coming up in a manner that would not shock you, but it will bring in only clarity. It will only make you decide, okay, this, I'm not going to take this any further. And my intuitions were always right. My intuitions back back in like 10 years back, whatever my intuition said are proving up right now. Whatever this is, 0808, yes, the karmic loops you are breaking in this particular month, and then immediately the new beginning happens by or around the new month of timeline, which brings in more peace. Now 5 of cups, but I see this board with peace and harmony. You would have multiple options. You would be feeling like, I don't know, I've lost that connection. I have been feeling little off because this connection was really really important to me. Could be friends, could be lovers, could be any relation, any relatives, any relationship I'm talking about in particular. You do feel that you have lost so many things, but universe is saying that forget about them. You have learned a lesson, you have broken the karmic patterns, and now it's time for you to rise and look at the people, the limited number of people. You will be breaking furthermore cycles, you are breaking furthermore energies, but the limited number of people in your life are there who are going to support you, who are going to fill your cup instead of you filling their cup here. So you do have some people coming in already there who are supporting you at the right time. Like in the morning you said that I would want to be at this particular space and go here. By evening you will have someone who is talking about this place. So you are manifesting right away. By new year, by new month, or new year could also be resonating. Of course, by this new year, by this end of this year, every table is turning. No matter whoever you are, if you are listening to these videos, if you are not listening to these videos, especially if you are listening to these videos, you are on the path of alignment, your path of awakening. Certainly there are no coincidences, of course. So you are getting more close towards limited number of people, because universe doesn't want you to be more exposed to people who are draining, who are energy drainers, who empty your cup. The cup is being I mean, this card today is giving me a different vibe altogether. It's trying to say that people were using you, people were taking away all the energies, and whenever it suits them they talk to you, it doesn't suit them, it does, they don't even look at you. Situationships, whatever this was, is going out. This is completely going out of your life in this particular month. It has already gone, and whatever tiny bit of things were there with you, that would end by 13th of this month, whenever it reaches you. So 13th, if I have to say, in another 48 hours of time, or 72 hours of time, whatever it takes. Again, take what resonates, leave what not. So it's the people who are spilling the cup, who are taking away the energies. My left ear keeps buzzing whenever I am channeling this today. Last time also it was the same. Again, the same. My left ear is buzzing. My intuitions are at peak, so your intuitions are at peak too. You are understanding who are the energy drainers here. 11:11 on the timer. You are understanding who are the energy drainers, who are just coming in to take your energies, and who are the one who will stay with you. Save your energies. Again, this card is again giving me a vibe of save your energy for the right form of people. Don't invest your time, energy into anything that is not that potential. Stop overgiving, stop overthinking about people, because whenever you think about someone, you are indirectly giving your energies to them. Because when you think about someone, they think of you again. It's a telepathy we all are aware of. So whenever they think, it's an telepathic conversation you guys are having all together. So end of the day, it will only drain you. Forget about them. Of course, remember your lessons, forget about them, don't think too much, and allow yourself to vent it out for a day. Timeline yourself. You're supposed to give yourself a timeline. Okay, I would think about this particular person, go through this complete memory one day, cry it out, 2 days, cry it out, but after that it's a no, 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 no game, strict no game for you all. So make sure that you do that, you forget, you just live that moment, you go through that emotions, and then completely forget about it. Don't get into depth anymore. This is not the time to keep on focusing on something that you have lost. Understandable, whatever this was, process it and allow it to go, because what is coming next, wow, the Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles is trying to say that someone skilled is coming your way, which will not only support you. Now, this person, the new person who is entering your life, or has already entered, or is trying to put in their words, they are not finding the right words to approach you. They are finding it a little difficult to approach you, to communicate, what to speak to you, how to communicate to you. They are also trying their best. These people are ready to enter your life. So these people are working out on how to approach, but these people are way too skilled. They are not only going to support you here in your personal life, but these people are going to support you professionally as well. You were not heard, you were not being understood, because the group, the tribe that you had, half of them didn't have faith in whatever you do, and half of them were like, you're good for nothing. They always tried to dim your light, and that was the sole reason you were not being heard, or you were not being understood. But these people who are entering your life now, they are highly potent, highly skilled, and they are going to support and understand where you are coming in from. 11:11 on the timer now. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yes. So basically, you are someone who is going to have these people in your life. You have manifested them, because you kept on in your somewhere or the other in your prayers. You said, I wish I had someone who understood me. I wish I had someone who would support me in this business. I wish I had someone who would, understand where am I coming from, and just be there and not judge me, not evaluate me all the time, or not just keep on speaking something that will dim my light. You wanted a pure support, and that manifestation of yours is coming true now, because this person is that person you have been thinking about, who's going to support you, who's going to guide you, and you are equally going to guide them. It's two-way communication. You have your own skills, they have their own skills, and this tribe, wherever you're meeting, you're making money, boss. You're making money together, and this is amazing. Again, I'm not just talking about lovers here. This could be friends connection, this could be professional connection. Whatever this connection is, this connection is going to work wonders. That is one of the thing. Oh, what is that? Two of Pentacles, yes. Three of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles coming together. It's trying to say they would be able to adapt you, you would be able to adapt their nature. It might look juggling, but it is going to be fun. You might get too engrossed and too much of your time would go behind your profession these days. Get ready for it. You're going to engross yourself more professionally. You're going to engross yourself, engage yourself more into the timeline of work, goals. I'm listening. You're going to get more focused in your life these days, because these people are coming in and to tell you, to praise you, to inspire you, to motivate you, and tell you when it's time to party, it's time to party. At the time of party, you're not talking about your work. When you're working, it's not the time to talk about parties. No gossiping. It's be okay. Sorry, the Five of Cups dropped. Yeah, that moment is going off. The loss, feeling of loss is going off. You are adapting the nature, understanding what role I'm supposed to play in what scenarios, and you are playing that role. What is coming next for this collective? Could you please help me out with two more cards? And two more cards, exactly. 1 second. I'm sorry. Oh, two more cards. Hmm? Two more cards, and Two of Cups and Six of Cups. Emotional fulfillment is coming your way. You are attracting also a lover. Someone from your past is also coming. One of the message, someone from your past is also coming in, and this past is coming in to express their true feelings, how they felt. It is all up to you whether you want to accept it or you want to say bye bye, because I know you might have changed, but the situations or my feelings are over the same. Whatever this is, take what resonates, leave what not. You are some way or the other coming across, crossing the path with the past. Now this could not always be I, this is giving me a lover's vibe, this is giving me ex-lovers here, but uh the feelings are, you know, there's a spark in the feelings again with that person you had. You were in a relationship during your teens, during your younger age, the first relation, the second relation, whatever this was. It is bringing up the spark in them and making them realize like they made a mistake of losing you. So it's all up to you how you take, how not. But also this is giving me a vibe of there would be certain skills and hobbies that you would be quite interested in generating. You are willing to restart a hobby that you had once and you have forgotten about it, and you are questioning yourself, will I be able to do it all over again? Universe is saying yes, honey, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it, because everything is coming for a particular reason. There are no coincidences. Enough of you being in that hermit mode. Some of you are feeling yet in that hermit mode, and you might feel for another couple of days, but you are more engrossed. You are getting more close towards communities. You want to communicate more. You want to get into the gatherings. Yeah, Eight of Wands. Oh my God, the opportunities. And Page of Cups. This surprise is coming. Whatever this person, this energies, the hobbies, whatever this is coming in is bringing in money as well. It's bringing in fulfillment in emotions, and certainly your expertise are being rewarded here. Whatever this is, people have started accepting the fact that they were wrong. In your case, and hence they are the one who are bringing in more and more happiness in your life. Happy news is on your way. Whatever this is, happy news is on your way. Whenever you're listening to this, your timeline has begun. I have been talking about it. Your timeline has not only begun, but you are also evolving, awakening, rising, shining. The stars attracted me. The stars could be one of the sign. You are looking at the sky and speaking to the stars. You're looking in the sky, speaking to the moon. You're seeing flights. You're traveling again. You're seeing more and more of flights, and you're saying, "I wish I would be there." Keep on manifesting because you're a manifester. You're a general manifester. 2020, it was when I was talking about manifestations. Yes, people are mirroring you. So make sure, one last message for you all, make sure that people are mirroring you. So make sure that within yourself, you love yourself first. You fulfill your own wishes first. The more fulfilled you feel, the more fulfilled people comes to you. The more complete you feel, the more complete people comes to you. So there won't be any void being supposed to be filled. Though there is a difference between support system is different. Okay, I am doing my best, someone is doing their best, and we are supposed supporting each other. The company doesn't run by one person, right? We need staff, we need departmental staff. Like there would be someone in accounts, someone into admin, someone into legality. So everyone has their own expertise. One person cannot run the company, it has to be a team. So that then that is a support system. That does not mean someone is filling the void. The void inside should not be there. The emptiness should not be there. So once you start feeling like I'm complete within, whether this person comes in or not, the complete person enters your life. Universe is trying to say that we all are mirroring each other. So the more you love yourself, the person will reflect that love on you. So if you're missing something, start giving it to yourself. Like if I feel lonely at times, so I make sure that what would make me feel happy and what would make me feel complete, I do it immediately. I go and fulfill my dreams, maybe just walk on the beach, maybe buying something new for myself, pampering myself in some form or the other, or simply just sitting and meditating, or walking, whatever this is, whatever it takes to make me feel complete and make me feel in a union with myself. I do it, because once I do it, I'm at peace. I attract that kind of person in my life. So break that patterns of filling the voids. Here one of the important message: break the pattern of filling the void and rather feel complete. The person who would enter your life, who's planning to enter your life, would not be wounded. You're not here to wound, be just a nurturer. You are of course nurturing everyone around you, but you also deserve to be nurtured equally. So wounds are supposed to be healed by your own self. Take responsibility of healing your own wounds. That's universe last guidance for you all. Hope this resonates. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Stay blessed. Om Namah Shivaya.